It is May 2020 and I am doing a review on the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro Floor Cleaner. It is a mop and vacuum in one. Currently on sale for $269 at Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Normally it's $2.99. $10 of that is donated to a pet foundation. My situation is a little unique in that I am cleaning at least 1,000 square feet of travertine floors, and most people use this on wood floors, so I think that they don't have as tough of a job to clean their floors since it's a more smooth surface. Travertines are also typically more sensitive to different products and tougher to clean, and in my case, because my travertine floors are not sealed, then I have pits and grooves that I have to clean through. The machine comes with 2 of these brushes made of microfiber, and throughout are these orange scrubbers that are dispersed throughout the brush. It also comes with 2 of these small bottles of multi-surface pet cleaning solutions, and it has Febreze on that, so I think that's why they consider it to override the pet smells. Overall, I am very pleased with this machine. It is easy to use and it does the job, although I have a tougher area to clean. I think that it did a pretty good job cleaning that. I did have to do several passes, but I think that that goes along with any mop, as I've used different types like you know, the steam mops. I've used the Swiffer spray mopper where you're just manually spraying the entire time, and you know, of course, just a regular mop. So I think, however, that this is very lightweight and easy to push, so the your movements aren't so strained, and so it works much better. I was hoping for a more aggressive brush, like I said, but I think that the incorporation of the microfibers in there help the liquid to not be spilling all over. And when you do spray, you use this button at the bottom, so it's easy to just keep spraying and you're not cramping like I used to with this with other mops when I had to spray them at the same time. The on buttons are up here, so you can use either the area rug or the hard floor setting. And I did encounter an issue with it on my first use, and I'm not sure exactly why. It might be because I was pushing the unit to its past its, you know, abilities. But basically the brush stopped rolling, but the vacuum kept going, and so some of the dirty water was kind of coming out through the brush and onto the floor, but it wasn't a lot, and I was able to stop the machine in time, and then just restart it soon after, and it worked just fine right after that. So I did have to do that a few times. I'm not sure if maybe because the brush got too dry and I was supposed to be spraying a lot. So that might have been the reason why that happened. So be on the lookout for that if you don't keep your brush saturated. Now my floors didn't smell like Febreze because I primarily used this cleaning product. It's specialized for tile floors, especially travertine floors, but I did put a few tablespoons of this, and then, you know, and so that might also make a difference in how clean your floors are depending on the cleaner that you use. I do have a couple of tips. One of them is to just sweep your floors beforehand, you know, so that you're not having to vacuum big debris or or have any hair get tangled up in the brush, because I don't want to have to clean this and, you know, get all the hairs off and untangle them afterwards. So, you know, I just made sure that I swept before I mopped. And then also, you know, it comes with, well, you basically, this is where all the dirty water goes into, and it's basically a filter, and there is a, there's also the strainer inside, and it strains all of the big debris and hair. So that just snaps in, and then it snaps into the unit, just like this. And to clean it, you put water in this, you dump it in here, which basically goes into the tray, into this tray that this is sitting on. As you can see, the water is in there. And then you turn on the unit from the top, just like this. And what that does is, when you lean it back, it basically allows the brush to rotate and clean the brush, and then the dirty water goes in there. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this very useful. Please like my video. Thank you.